Welcome, Ytpc. Edwin here from Central Texas. Wednesday. I'm hoping you're having a good day, middle of the week. And I'm hoping all my brothers and sisters down in Florida, given the circumstances, that you're staying safe, okay? I do have family members there, so keeping a close eye. Of course, last week my family in Puerto Rico got affected as well. But they're doing okay, so that's okay. So stay safe, and hey, hopefully things go, smooth given the situation. When I'm smoking, decided to bring up an eye candy for you guys. This is the elephant foot pie I got from Anderson Bryars. That's right, his Instagram, Anderson Bryars. Let me show you this beauty right here. Look at that grain, guys. Oof. Oh my god, check that grain, and then that bird's eyes. Oh my god, check that out. Just a beauty. Check that out. And then that bamboo shank. Oh, signature down there again, Anderson Bryars. He's also on YouTube. You should know him. You should know him already. And today smoking a classic Baren Burley, okay? I already gave you some impressions about this one, but guys, really smooth for me, really creamy, and definitely that cocoa, like dark cocoa, right? Style of flavor that in this case they put a little bit of casing of that, or topping on that, but you know that the Burley also bring that, that type of cocoa tones, right? Again, I bought several tins of this, and these are big tins, 100 grams, and I'm happy with it. Easy smoke. You don't need to worry about tongue bite or anything like that. Very rich smoke right here. Let me make sure I relight this. I'm almost done with this one. Been sitting down for a while. After work, some water, and guys, this is a great blend. This is Baren Burley. And I think even I have mixed a couple of blends with this, a little bit of Burley with something else, just to see, just to experiment, right? I'm still waiting on that Carolina red flake that I stove last week, right? Or yeah, last week I think. So next Monday or so, it will be 2 weeks of that, and we should be able to open that and check it out, that jar, and check it out. It's in my office. I just shake it every now and then. It's looking beautiful. And it looks like the consensus is to wait 2 weeks, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys. So this one is a great default blend for me. Really smokes really well, smokes really, really smooth, cold, and it's good, man. And guys, I will continue enjoying this beautiful bowl right here in my elephant foot by Anderson Bryars. Let me give you another look at this beautiful pipe right here. Check that out. Great job, sir. You know, it's such a beautiful pipe that I haven't smoked it that much, and I'm like, no, you know what? I'm going to start smoking these beautiful ones as well. So guys, I wish you have a great rest of your Wednesday. Stay safe down there, my brothers and sisters from Florida, and hey, keep your pipe lit, and I'll see you in the next video. Edwin out.